Hi there, Emmanuel here, and you've probably found this video because you're looking into this Let's Get Ranked. You're looking for a Let's Get Ranked review, or maybe you're just doing your research. You're just seeing if this is any good, if this would actually help you to do what it says. So we are going to go into that review in a second, but if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, then please just take a second and just hit that subscribe button below. Also remember to just tick on the bell icon so that anytime I do release a new review, you won't miss out. And I'm constantly doing things like that. Anything I find out, any of these new products, any tips, any tricks, anything I think will potentially going to help you and help you in your marketing, then I'm putting a video out there. So make sure you don't miss out on that and hit that subscribe button below. Also, if you want to get access to my free 4-part video affiliate marketing course, then again, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can click on that. You can get completely free access to that 4-part video course that will teach you the basics of affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's get started. This is called Let's Get Ranked. And, you know, for those of you that don't know what it means, ranking is just basically going, right, like showing up highly on Google, on page 1 of Google. Like, because if you're trying to sell something and people usually go to Google to do a search, and then if they find you on the first page, then there's chances they're going to click over to your offer and then potentially you're going to make a sale. So it is important to try and rank highly on page 1. And this product says it's going to help you to do that using 5 what we call SEO hacks. SEO just stands for search engine optimization. Now, ranking highly on Google is a skill in and of itself. Most people really struggle with what we call SEO. So, you know, when these products come along and say, listen, we're going to give you 5 simple hacks, you may still be able to use it to rank. But I'm going to go through it a little bit more. But the kind of keywords, the kind of terms you're going to be ranking for aren't going to be high traffic terms. Probably not. Because when people want to rank for high traffic terms, these are the things that take long time. I've done SEO before. You've got to put a lot of work into it. Do you know what I mean? So really, what we're talking about with this product, we're probably talking about ranking for low level to medium level keywords. You know, things that haven't got a lot of traffic. Not tons of people are searching for it. So it'll be like what we call long tail keywords. Like there'll be 5 words like how to make money from home using a computer, like 9 words, something like that. And you might get a little, there won't be tons of people searching for that, but you'll still get a little bit of people here and there. Yeah. So anyway, this is the page. Let's go through it. So it says it's got 5 non-SEO hacks we're using to rank on page 1. Okay. So without a website, no SEO, no tech skills, and no money being spent. You don't spend any money at all, and they're going to show you a way where you can just do this. So basically, they're going to probably show you ways that you're going to have to write articles, and your articles will rank probably using something like, I heard a little bit about it, use sites like something called Medium, and you'll probably rank using that site here. But anyway, so they're showing you examples here, but they're blurring out the keywords. So you don't really know how competitive these keywords really are. One of them is the actual person's name, Jeremy Kennedy. So of course, I mean, you're going to rank for your own name. If you put any stuff out there, if you've got any content out there, and then you go and search for your name, you're going to rank for it. So of course you're going to rank number 1 for your own name. But the other keywords they're just sort of blurring it out. So I can't really tell you how competitive these keywords are. They're just saying page 1, and I don't know what the keyword is. It just says review and bonus. If I knew what the keyword is, I could then tell you, yeah, this is a competitive keyword and it's hard to rank for, and using this piece of software, it's ranked. So it's a bit misleading because I don't know how difficult these keywords are. They are showing you that using their system, they've made a little bit of money from it. And I like how it seems quite realistic, $175. If that was like $17,000, those sort of things are the things I don't like. The sales page is pretty basic. Do you know what I mean? It's just a very, very basic page. It shows you don't need websites, you don't need an email list, you don't need a product, you don't need a single penny on ads, and you don't need ages to rank. The only thing that you can rank very, very quickly for is very low volume keywords. Yeah, and the price is cheap, $11.46. It's a very, very basic product, but I think it potentially will do what it says on the tin for lower level keywords. So if you're new to this, if you're like a newbie and you don't understand anything about ranking and you don't know how to get on number 1 on page 1 of Google, then I think it's worth a go. Do you know what I mean? I think it's worth, you're probably going to learn some things. These 5 hacks, probably for somebody who's already been in the game and knows about SEO, is probably going to be nothing new. You know, maybe using the Medium site I just spoke about. But apart from that, you ain't going to learn nothing new. But if you're a newbie and you don't know how to rank and you want to get some content on page 1, you probably will. It won't be for high level keywords though. It'll be low level keywords where there's not tons of volume. I don't believe you're going to get ranked for things like make money online using this. I doubt it, because those things take years to rank for. You'll probably rank for low level keywords, but still you'll get a bit of traffic. Ranking on page 1 always gives you a little bit of traffic, unless it's a keyword that nobody's searching for. You know, you'll get a bit of traffic, and you'll get some of that traffic to your sales pages. So yeah, I think it'd be worth a go. I personally have not used it and I haven't bought it, but from what I've seen, it seems quite realistic from some of the things they're saying. The actual price, like we said, is $11.46. They do have upsells. The first upsell is $29, where it's another traffic course. There's another one with something called a sales system, another sales system, another $29. There's a mastermind, a private mastermind, which is $17, so that's relatively cheap. There's the resale rights to sell this on to other people, which is $97. And then they've got a high ticket product, which is $997, you know. There are, like I said, there's 5 SEO hacks. There's 7 videos. It's a very, very basic course. It's a PDF, 7 videos. Videos are short. All in all, it's about 1 to 2 hours worth of content. So, you know, for $11, you know, what do you expect really? You're not expecting that much. But if it can help you to rank here and there, if you don't know anything about ranking, then I think it's not bad. It's worth giving it a go. And I think it's more realistic than some of these Warrior Plus products that I see, where you get certain people behind it. There's like a group of top Warrior Plus promoters, and when I see these people promoting a product, I know straight away it's a hypey product that you probably stay away from. This one, they haven't got behind it, so it might actually have some substance inside it. It might even be worth a look, and for $11, I don't think you can go wrong. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I think newbie to sort of low level intermediate, worth a try. You know, it's nice to see a bit of your content on page 1 of Google, even if it's not getting you tons of traffic. It's still nice to see that. Do you know what I mean? Intermediate to higher level, I don't think you're going to get a lot out of this, but it is still worth having a look for $11, you know. So I hope that helped. I hope you got some value from that. I hope that helped you with your decision on this Let's Get Ranked. You know, but if what you're actually looking for is a way to make affiliate marketing work and to make some commissions and some sales from affiliate marketing, then that's the sort of thing that I can help you with, because I've been in affiliate marketing for 10 years. And initially when I started with this, I was doing okay, but I was following a lot of this kind of shiny object thing where people were telling me how they're making $50,000 in a day, $250,000 a month. And I thought, well, what are they doing? So I went on a shiny object journey, I call it, and I bought everything you can think of, all this quick bucks but no work type thing. That's me. I'll be buying it. Do you know what I mean? And none of it worked, obviously, because they're not built to work, you know, and it was just too much for me for a while, and I gave it all up, you know. But in that time when I gave up, I still had it in my head that I could do it. And I was lucky to meet 2 mentors that taught me the basics of affiliate marketing, taught me about traffic, turning traffic to leads and turning leads to sales, because that really is the basics, you know. And that's why I put together this 4-part course I spoke about earlier that will teach you to do the same, to go from where you are now to a place where you are getting traffic, to a place where you are getting leads, to a place where you are getting sales, you know, and hopefully doing that consistently, you know. So if that's something that may be of interest to you and you want to have a look at it, then like I said, I'll leave a link below this video, and it's a completely free access to that course, and it's a 4-part video course, you know. By the way, listen, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you do have any comments, any questions at all, then please just leave it in the comments box below. All right, once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.